tough and like mean, and I like pout, but I'm also a crybaby, like basically me. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Julia, and I post new life and style videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. So I like have a confession to make. It's like slightly embarrassing, but I know that there's a bunch of other people who do this as well. I watch hours and hours of TikTok. You know, when it like first started, even when it was like Musically, I was like, no, like that's for 11-year-olds. And then, I don't know, I started like hearing more and more about it, and it started coming up on my Instagram feed, and I would see these like funny videos that said like, you know, TikTok in the corner, and I was like, okay, like I guess I'll just like check it out, see what it's about. And all of a sudden I realized I was watching like 5 hours at a time of TikToks, which is so unhealthy and definitely deteriorated my brain cells a little bit. But there was one specific trend and one specific like beauty group that really caught my eye, and that was the e-girl. And am I about to transform myself into an e-girl right now? The answer is yes. Am I too old? Probably. I'm 25, just like wanting to relive this other part of me that if you know me in real life, you know, like I'm slightly edgy, like deep down inside. I mean, my nickname in high school that one of my friends gave me was like emophilia. So if you like take the word emo out, like that was like kind of me, but I never like fully delved into it just because, I don't know, I guess social standards, and I kind of like care what people think or whatever. If I had my way, I would like, you know, do that whole like now like dye half your head like one color sort of thing and do this, but I work a 9 to 5 in like a pretty professional environment, so I don't think that'd be okay. So I'm just gonna like live my little fantasy for today, go, you know, watch the Grammys later in this makeup and just have people question my sanity. So yeah, first we are going to do the makeup, which I feel is just basically like pink everywhere with little hearts drawn on your face. So I think that's easy enough. The only difficult part is getting those like block straight across like bitch brows. I don't think my eyebrows like hold that natural shape, and I wasn't as committed as Jenna Marbles was, where she like shaved off the tail of her eyebrows to achieve it. I'm trying to grow my eyebrows. As you can tell, they're uneven, but I'm gonna try to like make them as straight or as like bitchy as possible. We'll see. But I already did my foundation, concealer, and set it because that's like the same, and the real essence is like the blush and the eyeshadow that like I think partially makes you look sick. I know, I guess I'll start with my eyebrows, which is like the most boring part of any video because it's long and painful, and like who really cares? So yeah, like most days I dress like I feel like a normal 25-year-old. Definitely if I'm like going out, I enjoy a good like platform boot and leather skirts and stuff, but otherwise I feel like I'm pretty unassuming. So I feel like this would be really good if I could just go and make it straight. Okay, so an amazing thing just happened. Just realized that if I start like the front of my brows instead of the tail and trying to work my way in, it cuts like the time in half. So now we'll just work on the eyes. I think just to add some definition, I'm just gonna use Tanacon. I don't really know what e-girls do instead of like dance to that like song on TikTok and like do their makeup. What does the E in e-girl stand for?
Electronic.
Electronic girls. I mean, like the other two like cliches make sense, like you know what they are. Okay, I looked up the definition. An e-girl is a species of emo usually found on TikTok but commonly spends time on Tumblr. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large wing, little hearts under her eyes, and a blush nose. Normally wearing some type of shirt from Urban Outfitters over a long sleeve striped shirt. Commonly found doing the me dance, but has probably never seen it before. Because there's like Visco Girl, and obviously that comes from like the other platform Visco, and like those filters and like all that stuff. And then there's like soft girls, and like you know what that is. They just like dressed in like overalls and like floral shirts and stuff. And I don't look cute in overalls, so that's why I have an e-girl. Okay, time for the blush, the most essential part. So basically you just put the blush everywhere. Oh, I was working on my eyes. Wow, this video is like everywhere. I don't know what's going on. We're just gonna do this. So you just put it on your nose and like down here. I haven't worn this much blush since like a dance recital when I was like 7, and my mom would just like pack it on with like red lipstick. I mean, that was like dance recital style, but it definitely was like a lot. Maybe e-girls are just all getting ready for dance recital. I think that's what it is. Okay, so I have like some blush on. I don't know if it's like the lighting or if there's not enough. Okay, and now you add like just like a ton of pink eyeshadow to your eye. I'm gonna like try to make it like cool and styled though, because you know I'm like a beauty guru. Oh my god, I look like I got sunburned is what it looks like. This is gonna be a hot mess. Like, I'm literally not paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm literally just slapping stuff on my face. No plan, just letting the ego vibes take me. It's just so weird that it's like they dress in chains and like more hardcore clothing, but then it's just like, let's just put 10 pounds of pink makeup on your face and draw a little heart. Which, like, let's talk about how that's totally ripped off from Marina and the Diamonds. Like, she was the first person to put hearts on her cheeks. So I hope they're like giving her credit. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna add like just like a little red maybe like kind of crush it into my lash line. They even like put it under their eyes, but honestly I'm a little nervous to put like red under my eyes. I feel like I'm gonna look like the devil. So do you think they like go to school like this?
Probably. They feel like waking up before school to do it.
Yeah, like this is like a lot of work to do before school. Like, I mean, I would do my makeup before school, but like it definitely wasn't like all this. Okay, so these are my eyes so far. I don't know, I kind of look like I just rubbed hot Cheetos around my eyes, which is, I think, what the red shade is supposed to be called, hot Cheetos, but it's called Flaming Hot. It literally just looks like that's what I did. I don't know, maybe once the hair and everything's on, like, it'll look cuter. Now, for my hair. So I know you're all wondering, hey, a lot of e-girls have bangs, but you don't have bangs. So what are you gonna do? Well, I am not going to cut my own bangs, because although I do like give myself the occasional trim, I think giving myself straight across bangs is just asking for a real disaster. I do have another little hairstyle that I can do that I like kind of wear. I wear a version of it kind of often because I refuse to give up party ponies because I think they're like the cutest thing, and I'm gonna be like 45 still rocking a party pony. So I just quickly added just like a band of eyeliner just to hopefully like, I don't know, make it look kind of more even and not just like red on my eyes. And now the little hearts, which are just so cute, and trying to draw hearts on your cheeks is probably like very difficult, so concentration is important. So the hearts definitely aren't even, but like, yeah, I don't look like Kirsten Hancher at all. All right, if we don't zoom in on my eyes, everything's fine, because it's two different faces at this point. Okay, I am going to get ready. I look ridiculous. I kind of thought I would look like cute, but there's just no part of this that's cute. This is just like, wow, you're 25 trying to be a teenager. And it's just, it's not it. But I committed, we're gonna do it. And I will come back in like full transformation. Okay guys, here is the finished product. I feel like my little party ponies need to be higher up. So yeah, this is my transformation as a TikTok e-girl. Honestly, it's like kind of cute. Like, I kind of dig it when my face is just like, you know, resting bitch face. But then as I like talk and have like my mannerisms. It doesn't really like match. This is definitely like just an aesthetic of don't talk to me, which is how I do feel most of the time, and like don't acknowledge, like just don't pay attention to me. I mean, but like pay attention to me, you know, like give me attention but don't sort of thing. So yeah, this is me as just a TikTok e-girl, you know, like, and those faces that they do, which I think I just look crazy doing, but like kind of just serving like some sort of look. The makeup isn't terrible. I don't love this much blush on me, but the eyes like kind of aren't bad. They're kind of cute if I work on the wings. Doing my eyebrows like this actually worked a lot better for me, so thank you, e-girls, for teaching me how to finally do my eyebrows. That was really nice. Obviously the hearts are a little much for every day, but I think you could like get away with like without the hearts and just like this, and most people would be like, okay, she just like puts her blush like that or whatever, but definitely the hearts kind of just add like a Snapchat filter sort of thing. You know, the hair is like a normal hairstyle, and then this is just kind of like, it's a pretty normal outfit. I do have like safety pin earrings in, which I kind of love. I'm only gonna go out into public like this tonight. I don't know. We'll see where my confidence level is at, and if I want to have like a conversation with every single person I come in contact with about why I look like this. So that was fun, embarrassing myself for 15 minutes straight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. Maybe this inspires you to like try out a different look. I hope you guys have like a wonderful day.